Okay, here we are. We've got the stagescape M20d console. I just plugged it in, demonstrating that we can use a simple Wii USB Ethernet adapter to our router to get the iPad remote to work. So I've just now booted this thing up. One thing I noticed, I got a bargain on this console about a month ago off of eBay, and one thing I noticed is on the first boot up it is inoperable, so I have to boot it twice. The first thing I did is I purchased a screen protector for the touch screen, and it was just a generic size because I couldn't find one to fit this exactly, so I just cut it out and put it on there to protect the screen, protect the investment that I have here. And now I've booted it back up, and it should, yes, now it is responding. So I'm going to go over and see if we can get the Wi-Fi going. Ethernet is connected. I've got my security pin. I've got I might need to boot out of this. I don't know if it's actually working. Yeah, okay. So what I've got to do is close this app, come back and open it, I suppose. If this doesn't work, I will do this again. Okay. Where is the app? I probably went right by it. Like I said, I've had this for a month now, so alright, here we go. Connect. It's is it connected now? Okay, yeah. I'm moving the main pan, and you see it's connected. Got no problem using the Wii Ethernet adapter. First I thought I was going to have to buy the recommended Apple product. I had a Wii game console with one of these adapters in it. The cabling was a little boogered up, so I had to repair that. That's why we have the tape on it. But this is just a cheap USB Wii game USB adapter, and that works. I can go over and I can control this. You can see how, maybe it's easier to show it, me controlling it here and it working on the app. And if you see now all the red dots, that was from the show that I just did this last weekend. I'm going to save that setup, and so we'll be playing that bar again. One thing I have suggested, this is a side note, this L6 Link, which is a digital interface for their speakers, I suggested on the Line 6 Stagescape forum that we make a Line 6 might look at making a link station. So this would plug into, this is digital, plug into a external accessory box, which could offer possibly more mic line inputs, an expansion, link station expansion, because when using this you can use one cable to feed your whole PA system. So and my thinking was, hey, why don't, if we use this, we could make an expansion box to get more mic inputs, analog outputs, for example. It'd be a converter box. I don't know, just an idea, and I'm hoping that Line 6 will further this investment here and keep on supporting it and putting out new upgrades for it. But if not, I am happy using it as it is. Alright guys, hope this has been helpful to you guys.